Hi guys, it's Vishali. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be really special. You might have read the title already. So in today's video I'm making DIY accessories, and there will be 4 different accessories that I'm going to show you how to make. And this idea actually came into my mind as I always make home decor products using air dry clay, and just thought why not to use it making jewelry. So here's the tutorial, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Plus, thank you so much guys, we are now family of more than 50k plus, and I am really grateful to you all. Thanks for making it possible and keep motivating me, and let's make it grow more. Now let's move into the tutorial. So here, as you see, I made a ball out of clay and flatten it, and now cutting a round shape using any round object which has sharp edges. I covered it with cling wrap so that it will be easier to get the smoother corners, and using a paper cutter I cut it. This way you will get a perfect round shape. Now as we are making a pendant, so we need to make a hole in it. So use a smaller round object and cover it with cling wrap before cutting it. And here I used a cap, and that's how we can get a perfect round. Don't waste the clay and use it for making beads. I made 2 beads here, so you can make more if you want. Use a needle or any pin to make holes in beads. To make bigger holes, you can use toothpick as well. Now I'm rolling the clay on flat surface to get such coil. Just press one end of this coil a bit and pinch, and then make a snake by laying it in wavy line pattern. So this way you can make a snake with clay, and I made 2 such circles as shown in the beginning of the video, and now making holes into it using needle. Again use the needle to make holes on head of the snake. Making another coil using clay, and then divide it in equal part. Make the ends like a tail. And now I'm gonna fold it this way to make a shape of pretzel. So for those who doesn't know what pretzel is, so it's a German bread, and it's a baked pastry, and it's commonly shaped into a knot. So it is actually written as pretzel, but it is pronounced as bretzel. And now I'm going to use such head pins and inserting it at the back side of this pretzel. Now let this clay things dry completely. Meanwhile, we'll make another thing. This is a hair accessory. So make such paper cutting and use this cutting to cut shapes on felt paper. Cut some leaves as well on this felt paper. You see a circle in paper cutting, so making the same on felt as well. Do not throw the circles that we just cut down. You need to cut it in half, and then we'll use it later. I'll show you how. Now grab one end of this cutting in scissors and fold it like this. Apply glue and fold. So this is how we can make a flower. Now stick these semicircles on this flower, so this way we can use this. And here is a beautiful rose that can be made using felt. You can make as many as you want. So here I made around 7 flowers. You're gonna need such elastic lace, so you need to measure the head size and cut the length of the elastic accordingly, and then make a knot. And stick these flowers and leaves on this elastic. And at the back side of this band, you can stick a rectangle felt piece to secure the band with flowers. And here I am sticking some pearls. So this way this beautiful headband is now ready. I thought the leaves are a little bigger, so cutting it a bit. And you can make such headbands for your kids, little girls, and for yourself also. So this is how it's going to look. And now let's get back to the clay earrings. It's now completely dry and it's time to paint it. Using acrylic colors to paint it, mix brown and white colors to paint the pretzel earrings. And do not forget to apply the color at the back side as well. Now I'm using white acrylic color. Just make such dots. This is a salt granules we are making on this bread. And painting this pendant using red acrylic color, and then coloring these beads that we made from clay. You can use any color of your choice. Once the color is dry, you can apply varnish. I didn't have varnish, so applying nail polish top coat to secure the color from water. And now it's the time to attach earring hooks. Make a loop out of these head pins we attached, and then we need to attach the earring hooks into it. And here are these cute pretzel earrings. Aren't they cute and very easy to make? Wear these earrings in Oktoberfest and have fun. And for snake earrings, you just need to attach a jump ring this way. And to wear these earrings, I'm using head pins. Cut it this way and then stick it at the back side of the circle part, and it's done. These are actually very trending earrings, and I saw such earrings while watching a series on Netflix, so thought to make my own. And here comes our neck piece. You just need such thread or cord or simply use yarn. Make such knot with this thread into pendant, and then you need to insert beads that we made out of clay and make another knot just at the top of these beads. And then you need to make another knot at the end of this thread. And it's done. Here is this cheap but beautiful and very simple to make neck piece. And that's it, guys. I hope you like the DIY, and we'll be back soon with some more exciting DIYs. Just give this video a thumbs up if you like the video and comment your feedbacks. And if you have any suggestions, you guys can tell me through comments in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, because you're going to see so many exciting DIYs on this channel, because I have so many things on my mind. Till then, stay safe and take care.